Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to transfer files from Android to laptop or PC. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. So firstly, we will be discussing about two different ways that you can use. Like the first one is the wired way and the second one is wireless way. So firstly comes the wired way, that is you can use the USB, and by using this USB all you need to do is you just need to connect this USB cable from your mobile phone to your laptop, and you just need to enable the file exchange on your mobile phone, which would be automatically popping up. So if you just want to know better about this, like you can just refer to the description. So there is this steps so that you can just better get through the navigation, but like you could get directly popped up with this particular file exchange or charge only options, and after then you can just directly find it in the PC. You can just copy paste things, so it's very simple. And then comes the second part, that is the wireless way of sharing your files, that is through Google Drive. So all you need to do is just go to your mobile phone, open the Google Drive, and once you open you could just see something like this, and all you need to do is like you need to upload the files that you want to transfer to your PC or laptop. So you just need to click on this plus icon which is in the bottom right corner, and once you click onto this plus icon you can just see this such options pop up. You just need to click on the upload button, and you need to upload all the things that you want to share to your PC. And after you uploaded it, now you just need to open that particular mail in your PC. Here is how it looks once I open this drive on my PC. Here I just need to go to this three dots and then click on the download button so that I could download this to my PC locally. So in this way you can transfer files from your phone to the PC in a wireless method. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. For more such tips and tricks, please do subscribe to PC Tips Pro, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching.